Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, guys. And if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Click the like, click the subscribe. And also, if you are part of our family, I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. This channel has grown because of you. You are part of the family. And I'm glad I could share this trading journey with you and also being able to give some of the guys the analysis and also the knowledge about the forex trading. Some people were able to be profitable using our free content here on YouTube, but others they've managed to even join our VIP membership. So today I'll be showing you guys just the right way how to trade Nasdaq. I know many people are interested in trading indices as they know that they are very much volatile and they can make a lot of money within a short period of time. So learn how to trade Nasdaq the right way. Let's go. I'm on the 1 hour time frame on Nasdaq. As you can see, we managed to capitalize on the sell here, and also we managed to capitalize on the buy here. So it's been a very profitable setup, and also we can be able to understand the movement that is happening. One thing I'd like to tell you guys is that with Nasdaq, you have to understand that it's very volatile, and sometimes it creates many patterns within a pattern, and sometimes the pattern that you can say, like for instance here, if you said the market will reach this point here, it will reach this point, but you must understand that you have to place your take profit at the right place, but you must not be greedy. With us, what we did, we have placed our take profit here because why? It was the beginning of this correction. So once it broke here impulsively, we knew that we have to go out here, because sometimes what it does, it can come back here and then push downside, and then the money that you were holding, and then it's back to half of the profits, or sometimes it goes even lower, something like this, before it pushes further up. So you don't want to be experiencing being in 100 pips profit, and then the next thing you are at 20 pips profit. So learn to scale in, and also but learn to trade, manage your trades. Okay, so now I'm gonna start showing you just about how I'm able to analyze the Nasdaq the right way, and how we are able to capitalize daily, and also how you can be able to swing it. Swinging for small accounts, I wouldn't recommend it, because you have a chance of holding big drawdown. So looking at what is currently happening, I can see foremost that we are having this analysis. This has already happened. So looking at this, we know very well, quite clear, that once we break out of this correction, we are destined to push to the upside, and then our utmost target will be here. But we have to break here impulsively, and breaking here will happen in this form: to break and retest, break, something like this. That will know that yes, indeed, we are pushing it upside. But don't forget what is currently happening within this big structure, because as you go down to smaller time frame, this big structure, you can make a lot of money in it. As you can see, we managed to capitalize with our sell. How did we find it? You know that at this point we could see that the market it's reached a ceiling. For it to keep on pushing further up, they need to break, retest, and then we're gonna go further up. Okay, so now I've drawn my analysis here, and also I want to show you these big moves that happened here. As you can see, this move, you can see we managed to capitalize on this one, but you have to understand how you can be able to do a chart pattern separation. You have to learn how to separate your patterns, because you need to know what is currently happening here. You need to get this in place. You need to see it clearly with your naked eye. Once you see it, you can never unsee it. Okay, for our time frame. So with this one, the strongest support and resistance, they will hold on for our time frame, and then now you can subsequent use that specific trend in smaller time frames. So as you can see here, we had this move. I would say let's rather take it from here. So you can see what we had here. The market was in some form of a reverse head and shoulder. So this comes with practice, guys. It's not easy to spot this if you don't practice. So you can say this is that type of a head and shoulder. You can take it here. So not always you get book trades. So you could see that we are having a reverse head and shoulder, and then we are where you can say this would have been a third touch, but also learn to understand of using the Fibonacci. As you can see, we are at 76.8. So I had my analysis like this, and having my analysis like this, I knew that we are having 1, 2. So this is the third touch. So sometimes it could have happened that you could have had an analysis push further below before pushing to the upside. So this could have happened. So we know that this is our third touch. And then now, once you have your third touch, you know that the break here will give you a good buy, which is the break there. And then you put your stop loss below this low. So you have to understand, you can put a buy stop knowing that when it breaks, you won't be able to catch it quickly, because if you have placed your order, one of the orders would have been here at the close of this candle. So go to 1 hour. Don't take your trades on 4 hour. You have a chance of holding big drawdown. So rather take your trades for Nasdaq. Preferably, you can take them on 1 hour if you're comfortable with it, or 15 minutes. But if you're going to use the 15 minutes, make sure it aligns with the higher time frame analysis. Make sure you follow the analysis, because look at what currently happened here. We had this pattern within a pattern, which is a trend inside a trend, but you can see we never reached the target here. So if you had sold here, you put your stop loss here, you would know that your first target would have been reached and your second target, but your third 90% rule was not reached because of this bigger correction, showing us that the market is preparing, it's gaining momentum to push to the upside. Also happening here, look what happened here. So it's always wise to make sure that you have your partial take profits. For instance, if you took this buy, you would have took it before the break. Obviously, you would have been somewhere around here, and then so this is a TP. As you can see, we reached our TP. So learn to take partial take profits. Don't just be focusing on swinging it all the way. You can swing it 1 or 2 orders, but the more you swing it, make sure you are taking profits, and also you are trail stopping, so that when the market decides that I'm gonna reverse here, let's do this. Let's say this was your stop loss. Let me use a different color. Use red. This was your stop loss. As the market pushes up, you pull it up. As the market pushes, you push it here. And then as the market goes further up, if this could have took you out, it would have took you out maybe somewhere around this point here. If you push the market here, could have took you out, but you can see that some of the trades would have hit your take profit. If not, you placed it here, then it retests, and then you pull it a little bit further upwards. So same goes with this one. You can see, always make sure and understand that there will be patterns within a pattern, and also you can capitalize on those ones. Look at this one. Your TP was hit. The TP was hit. Stop loss. Always place your stop loss in the right place. You rather risk less so that you put your stop loss in the right place. Don't ever put stop loss based on the amount of money you are losing. So you rather reduce your lot sizes and put your stop loss based on the low or the previous high. As you can see here with selling, where would have placed your stop loss? Your stop loss would have to be above, you can say, to be safe, because you can see, because here there was a chance of the market, you rather put it here, and then your take profit will be, so don't put it at the end of the spike, because they know that that's where the prices are. So you rather put it there. Don't be greedy, learn to take what the market gives you. So with this one, you would have put it here, and then you stop loss here. Why above this high? Because this one was lower. Yes, it's a high, but you can see that the stronger one will be this one, because what I'm seeing this type of formation. You see, so you can see that we are having a new downtrend. So learn to see a small trend when it develops, because I would have avoided this move, because sometimes this happens. Sometimes you enter a sell and then the market decides to do a spike. Understand? Something like this. That's why I always say, emphasize, the market doesn't see your trend lines. We use them as a guideline for our own analysis. Glad you could join me into this video. Apply these principles and become a profitable trader with trading Nasdaq. From me, Ofentse Ledwaba, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Catch me in the next video. Peace.